Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to change grab location. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change your location here inside the Grab app, well, there are a few things that you may need to do here. Now, first things first, in order for you to easily change your address or your location, you can actually add saved places. Now, to do that, you want to go and click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, and you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here and look for the option that says Save Places. Now, once you click or you are inside the Save Places pages here, you can go and click on the Add Home, Add Work, or Add New option here. Now, once you've added or once you click one of them, it should give you the option to type in a location. So basically, if you want to like set a specific hotel or home as a point where you are going to repeatedly go to, you can go and just enter that address in here, and you can go and click on the choose on Grab Maps at the very bottom of the screen if you want to just drag and drop the location or the pin where you want to be or where you want to point that location. Now, if you want to change your actual location during a booking, what you need to do is you want to go and open up Grab Car here or Grab Food, and you could go and just add where you want to go to. Like for example, we want to go to this location here, so maybe I want to go to the airport. Let's go and just select that one. And once you've done that, this will basically redirect you to another page where you need to select where you want to be picked at or picked from. So in this case, you should see a blue icon in the area. That's you. So the pin is going to be also a pin icon that you are seeing in my screen right now. That's the pin. So that's where you're pinning where you are going to be picked up from. So in this case, just make sure that your location is correct. Now, if you in this case want to go to a very specific place, you can go and just choose one of the following. So if you added a save place into your account, you should be able to see that as well in the very start here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.